In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to outline an image here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and let's say we wanted to add a border or an outline to this image. Now to do this, we're going to utilize frames. So what we want to do is come over to Elements. If we scroll all the way down, we're going to find frames just here. Now if we click on All, we're going to see all of these different frames. But for this one, we want a square. Now why square? Because if we look here, we can actually adjust this frame. So what we want to do is have this a similar size to this image, just like so, by grabbing out the corners or the sides to fit the image. Then all we have to do is take this image and drag it inside this frame. Now to get the border on this, all we have to do is come up here to where we see these three lines, which is the border style. So now if we click on there, we can play with different types of borders. So we can choose a single line or these dotted ones as well. Let's just go with this one. We can adjust the weight as well to make that a little bit thicker, and we can play around with the corner rounding just to make these corners a little less sharp. And now, if we wanted to change the colour of this border, we can come to the border colour just here and then choose any colour that we want. And now, if we want to resize this, it's going to resize the whole image, just like that. So that's just how easy it is to add an outline to an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.